You wake up and you're already tired. You sit at your desk and your eyes don't want to stay open. Someone says, "How are you?" And all you want to say is, "I'm exhausted." But instead, you smile and say, "I'm fine." Sound familiar? We all feel tired sometimes, physically, mentally, emotionally. But many learners only know the word tired. They don't know how to express deeper feelings like burned out, drained, or I need a break. In this lesson, we'll explore how to talk about being tired in English, really tired. Not just sleepy, but emotionally low, overworked, overwhelmed, and how to express those feelings naturally, clearly, and without shame. Let's get started. Let's begin with the basics. When someone asks, "How are you?" you don't always have to say fine. You can say, "I'm a bit tired today," or "I didn't sleep well," or "I'm running low on energy." These are simple, honest answers. They open the door for real connection. Now, let's talk about stronger feelings. Sometimes you feel more than just tired. You feel like your whole body and brain are heavy. Here are some natural ways to say that. I'm exhausted. This means you have no energy left. You can also say, I'm drained, or I feel completely wiped out. If you've been working too much, try saying, I've been pushing myself too hard, or I haven't had a proper break in weeks. These phrases explain your feeling without sounding dramatic. Sometimes tiredness isn't just physical, it's emotional. You're not sleepy, you're overwhelmed. You can say, I feel emotionally drained, or I'm mentally exhausted, or my brain is tired. These are powerful, honest phrases that show you need rest, not just sleep. If your stress is building up, say, I'm starting to feel burned out, or I just can't focus today. These are common things people say at work, school, or home when their mind needs a reset. What if someone asks if you're okay? You can say, I'm okay, just really tired, or I'm fine, but today's been rough, or honestly, I'm feeling a bit off. Saying you're tired doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're human. Let's talk about needing rest. Sometimes you just want to say, I need a break. You can say, I need some time to recharge, or I think I just need to rest my mind for a bit, or I'm going to take it easy today. These are all natural ways to say, I'm tired, and I'm choosing to rest. Other helpful expressions include, I'm going to unplug for a while, or I need some quiet time. They show you're aware of your needs, and you're taking care of yourself. Now, let's talk about what tiredness feels like. You might say, my eyes are heavy. My body feels so... I can't think straight. Even coffee isn't helping. I feel like a robot today. I've hit a wall. It's one of those days. These sentences paint a picture. They help others understand what kind of tired you're feeling. You can even describe your tiredness with humor. I'm walking, but I'm basically asleep. My brain is buffering. Don't ask me anything complicated today. Humor makes it easier to share tough feelings and connects you to others. Let's say someone tells you they're tired. How can you respond kindly? Try saying, do you want to talk about it? Or take it easy today. You deserve it. Or let me know if you need anything. Or even just, I hear you. Simple, gentle support means a lot. You don't need to fix it. Just being present helps. Let's imagine a real-life scenario. Your friend messages you, "Hey, how are you?" Instead of "fine," you write, "Hey, I'm okay, just really tired today. Work's been non-stop and I didn't sleep much last night." They reply, "Oh no, I hope you get some rest." You say, "Thanks. I'm going to take it slow today. Hopefully tomorrow's better." That's it. Simple, honest, human. You didn't hide. You shared and connected. Being tired is part of life, but learning how to talk about it in a real human way makes a big difference. You don't have to be cheerful all the time. You don't have to say, "I'm fine," when you're not. You don't need big words, just real ones. Next time you feel tired, say it. Say it in your own words. Say it in English. Because every time you express yourself honestly, your English becomes more alive. Practice out loud. Try different styles. And soon it will feel completely natural. Thank you for practicing with me today. See you in the next lesson.